How to remove YouTube account from other devices. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now, navigate to the YouTube account. You'll land to the home page. Now, navigate to your profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're over here, click on the option Google account. Now, different sections will appear. Head towards the section Security. Then scroll down. Over here, you're gonna find the section of your devices. Click on the option Manage all devices. In this page, you're gonna find the list of the devices where your YouTube account is currently logged in. Now navigate to any of the device you wanna log out from. Click on it. You might be prompted to enter your password. After you type in that, you'll be directed to this kind of page. Now click on the option Sign Out. This will remove access to your Google account from the device. Click on Sign Out. With that, Google account as well as your YouTube account will be logged out from that selected device. You can do the same and log out of your YouTube account from other devices given over here. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.